But if the error is still there, like in this case, if you open the installation folder under SolidScope, you can see we have one folder which is duplicated. In your case, there might be one or two. So this is how you should go about it. It is the one causing the error. So just locate or try to open Task Manager. Open Task Manager. So under Task Manager, we are looking for a file called SolidWorks fs.exe, the file we did previously. Once you locate it, right click on it, then go with the option of End Task, then finally end the process. Then go ahead and close that small window. So the next thing is head over to the extraction folder and locate where we have the SolidScope. Open it, then copy all the contents of SolidScope under the extraction folder. Select all of them, then copy. You can see I was just trying to help my Russian friend, so I had a problem locating where the copy command is, but he was able to show me where those commands were. Once you copy them, head over to the installation folder, that is disk C, program files, then SolidScope. Paste the contents here, then remember to always replace the file and the destination as we usually do. Once that is done, again you head over to the extraction folder, open SolidScope, but this time around just the duplicated folder on installation location. Open SolidWorks under extraction folder, then copy all the contents of SolidWorks, then come and open the duplicated folder under the installation location, that is SolidWorks. Then paste the contents from the extraction of SolidWorks to the installation of duplicated folder under the installation, and paste the contents there. So if you have two folders duplicated, just follow the same procedure. Open extraction folder, then copy all those contents and come and open the duplicated folder and paste them there. So basically you should not have an error this time if you launch SolidWorks. As always, if you get help or you thought the video was helpful, go ahead and subscribe, share the video and like. Thanks for watching.